Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a table to your presentations on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through it. Alright guys, so navigate to your account on Gamma AI and navigate also to your presentation. Let me go with this one here. Next, go through your presentation and find the slide where you'd like to add a table to. I will go for completely new card and here, or a new slide. So what you want to do, guys, is use a template, for example, for that card, or you may simply use a content block to add it to your card as a table. You will find the table amongst the basic blocks here on the right-hand side under the table section. You can go with 2x2, 3x3, 4x4. Don't worry, you can add more columns and rows, of course, to these tables. It's just as a default item. So click into that handle on the top left and drag the table to your new card. Release your left mouse to add the table to your card or slide. And as previously mentioned, guys, you can add more columns and rows by clicking into either that or that button here. So let me convert that table into 5x5. 1, 2, 3, 4, one more. Now we have 5. So you can customize the height and the width of your columns and rows, just like that. And you can also click into these cells and fill them with content, ABC, 1, 2, 3, and that's it, guys. You can also select the entire row or the entire column, customize these, for example, apply various alignments, format them, change the color, the background color, change the text type. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.